Is SOUN going to have one of the biggest short squeezes in the stock's history next week, or is this a ticker which you should already be locking your profits from and walking away from? What's up, trading friends? Today, we're discussing SOUN under three different lenses: the why, the what, the where. The why, we're going to be talking about the catalyst that this ticker is running on and what next week is going to be hold for this ticker. Then the what, we're going to be doing some stock analysis, telling you guys exactly where I see this ticker heading from here on out. The where, we're going to be telling you guys where to get in, where to get out. So without further ado, let's get into it. And congratulations to my SOUN holders. Congratulations, my friends. About a week ago or so, I came out with this video here. Listen what this. So first of all, the video is titled Best Stock to Buy for Today. I am buying $40,000 worth of this $10 ticker. What is it going to be? There's going to be another ticker, SOUN. That's bam, right? And as you guys can see, sitting at $10.10. Today, the ticker went ahead and all the way tested the $14 levels. All right. So congratulations to you guys who followed along with me, and congratulations to me. All right, now let's get cooking. So where is SOUN heading from here on out after a blockbuster earnings season, guys? The reality is, guys, unfortunately, I think that the stock is going to cool down, right? Right now, the stock is in its peak euphoria form, and I do think that next week we're going to see either a pivot to the upside to the potential $15 to $20 range, depending on how the markets are doing. But I think more likely than not, the markets are still going to be kind of lukewarm, and the stock's going to kind of end up holding these levels around, the $13 to $15 range, or maybe even, over all the way down to over here to, again, right, the 13 to $14 range. So I think the stock's kind of gonna move around these levels, right? And if you can get it close to 14 to 15, I will go ahead and lock in some profits, and then I'll jump back in again around $13 ish, right? It's gonna kind of trade between these levels, right? Until we hear what's gonna happen with AI next. Because I'm telling you right now, AI right now, the AI space right now, the AI industry in the stock market right now has taken a toll. Now, from taking a toll, what do I mean taking a toll? It really hasn't taken a toll, but right now it's in the quiet zone. Right now, no one is really shining a bright light on this space. And I'm telling you right now, guys, sooner than later, this sector is going to boom. You're going to want to be in SOUN when this happens, all right? Now, if this video gets 100 likes, I'm going to come out with my exact price prediction for by the end of 2025 when it comes to SOUN. Spoiler alert, it's very, very bullish. You're gonna want that video, so hit the thumbs up button. Now, moving on. When it comes to SOUN, guys, this is one of those tickers that unfortunately it gets shorted heavily, right? Whether it's institutions shorting it, whether it's hedge funds shorting it, whatever it is, it does get shorted heavily. Hence, why we can anticipate a massive, massive short squeeze heading up for this ticker. But the thing is that what you need to understand is that shorts are not stupid, okay? Shorts are not stupid. In fact, if you go in the past 7 days, we did get a lot of new shorts coming in. But a lot of shorts also closed their positions heading into these earnings because they knew that earnings is going to be something that causes the stock to go up. So I think that this 2% short interest which we've seen the past 2 weeks. Let's go to the past 2 weeks. Let's go to the past month or so. Past 2 weeks, again, 3% increase. This is really nothing. Okay, this is really nothing. You know what's crazy? If 2 weeks ago, I wish I could kind of, let's go to the past 3 months. You see again, right? So we had so many shorts covering their positions, guys, when it comes to this ticker, right? In fact, if we go to the past 2 weeks, you can kind of almost see, if you go to the past month or so, right, you can see this dip. You can see this dip in the coverage, and then they're adding. But really, 3% increase is really nothing, right? So what am I really getting to here? I'm getting to the fact that you're not going to see a short squeeze without a shock factor, right? A shock factor doesn't really come from earnings because shorts are not stupid. They're going to cover their position before the earnings comes out because that's just part of risk management as a short. It's kind of like, imagine if a company could come out and announce that they're going bankrupt. Well, as a long, you and I would probably close our position, right? We'd probably be like, you know what? It's too risky. The stock could go down like 20, 30%. I don't want to deal with it. Well, the exact same thing happens to shorts. However, do you know when you end up losing money? When the news comes out unexpected. When there's a news that comes out that catches you off guard. That's when you're going to lose a lot of money as a long, and that's exactly when the shorts are going to lose a lot of money. So all this talk about is short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze, short squeeze. I don't think we're really going to see that, right? And mind you, again, remember, I am a perma bull on SOUN. Guys, I have a lot of money invested, not only trading SOUN, but also invested in my investment account on SOUN. All right. So when it comes to a short squeeze perspective, though, you got to understand that the way short squeezes work is Imagine a house that someone left the gas knob on, right? And the house is filled with gas. There's gas everywhere, okay? Now, that house is going to be filled with gas forever. It's never going to explode until you get someone to well, the slider's dead. Amazing. Can you guys tell I don't smoke? Anyways, a spark happens, okay? A spark happens, then boom, the whole house goes crazy. So we need that spark, is what I'm telling you, is that we need that spark, and that spark can be super anticipated, like something like an earnings, okay? So there's that when it comes to the shorts perspective, short squeeze perspective, right? And again, remember, right? I could be wrong. I could be wrong, right? And I hope there's a short squeeze, but I'm just explaining to you guys from a logical perspective why it's very, very unlikely to happen, okay? And why majority of these YouTubers that are saying short squeeze, they're just saying that for you guys to hit the thumbs up button. They're just saying, they're telling you what you want to hear, right? And I'll be honest with you guys, one of the things that I've always taken pride in on our channel has been telling you guys what you need to hear, not telling you guys what you want to hear, okay? And if this is the type of content you guys like, hit that subscribe button as well, man, because I'm here every single day. I make 5 to 6 videos every single day for you guys when it comes to trading. I'm telling you guys, trading is my life. I wake up in the morning, I trade. After that, I start making videos. After that, I do research for the day after when it comes to trading. Trade, chart. So, when it comes to trading, so many people always say, oh, when I tell people I've been only trading for 8 years, people tell me, oh, well, I've been trading for 30 years. Well, I've been trading for, but the reality is that I promise you that I have more chart time than someone with, maybe not 30 years, but someone with 20 years. Why? Because this is all I do. A lot of these people that they say they've been trading for 20 plus years, they placed their first ever trade 20 years ago, and then they placed another trade 3 years after that, they lost money. Then 2 years after that, I mean, look, yourself, think, maybe you can relate to what I'm saying, right? When was the first time you bought a stock? And then you took a very long break, right? And then you did it again. And then you took a very long, and then you did it again, right? So would you say that it's all those times, all that experience really matters? No, right? No. So I think that when it comes to experience as a trader, I think it's a really, tricky thing to measure, right? But I do think that I have chart time more than 90% of other traders in the world. I truly believe that. And look, my statistics speak for themselves, right? I mean, I have an 82% win rate after over 500 trades later, right? I mean, month of July, we only have 2 red days. Month of June, 1 red day. Month of May, 3 red days. Month of April, no red days. Month of March, 1 red day, right? And month of August so far, we've still not had a red day, right? So we were absolutely crushing it, right? And I think I want to see which video it was. Somebody commented under it recently. It was really nice. It's a really nice comment. Let's see if I can find it. Look at this. Win rate is real so far. I joined 1 week and saw profits already. Thanks, by the way, Sam. I appreciate you, brother. Right? I mean, real people, real results, right? Is what I always tell you guys. Now, with that said, though, right, going back to the SOUN conversation, I think SOUN is one of those tickers that's, we did take, as you guys can see, right, we did take some profits before the earnings. As I told you guys, you should, right? And the rest of my position, I'm holding. I'm holding for a very long time. I closed some of my position around 13 bucks, okay? So above 13-ish, I closed some. And then around above, and I think near 12 also closed some before the earnings, right? It's so important to take profits before the earnings, even if you're bullish, because just from a risk management perspective, you never know how earnings are going to come out. But again, the earnings were amazing for SOUN. And so where do I see SOUN heading next week, Sam? I see it trading between this $13 range to $14 range, okay? I see that's really where I see it happening. This $13 to $14 range is where I see the ticker trading. And again, I'm very bullish on SOUN's future, and I'm excited to come out with that video for you guys, telling you guys where do I see SOUN by the end of 2025. It's going to be good, okay? It's going to be good. I'm holding a lot of shares, man. I'm holding a lot of shares. I anticipate great things for this company. I'm very bullish on the AI space, and that's all. Like I told and I told you guys before, to me, this company has the same upside potential as Palantir did in 2023. I believe that. I truly believe when Palantir was sitting at 16 bucks and I was coming out here saying, please buy Palantir, and now it's at 160, SOUN at 13 has the same potential. Okay? Anyways, I wish you guys the best of luck. And one more thing, listen, if you guys want to trade alongside me every single day, check out our Discord. It gives you access to day trade alerts, swing alerts, option alerts. We have lessons, one-on-one access, Right now, I added 10 more spots for the next 10 members that join to get access to it for a 50% discount. Literally today. This is today. Okay, Friday, August 8th, $42. I made money today, and this is one heck of a good feeling. So thankful I'm here. New member, $800 already. Thank you, Sam and Sean. Happy Friday. Who's Sean? Sean is one of the other mentors in our community. So we have 4 other mentors other than myself. Hands down the best Discord group. Again, today, 247. Sound save me. Sean is unreal. I don't know what to say. Greenest ever. Most of Sound. Oh, also, guys, I got bit by a dog today. Fought off a pit bull and made me $200 at the same day. So I went to the barber shop, and there was a big ass dog. It was one of the owners. And I obviously, like, I didn't acknowledge the dog because it's a dog. You know what I'm gonna do? Say, hey puppy, how are you? I don't give a fuck. It's a dog, right? It's a pit bull. So I went up to the, it's a barber shop. So my barber's there. When I go in, they know me there. So I go there like every week, as you guys can tell, right? I dap up the barbers, right? As I do. I dap up my barber. I dap up this barber. I go to dap up this other barber. Then fucking dog bites my leg. So I had to go get a tetanus shot and everything like that. Anyways, off the record, while going back on the record, give the Discord a freaking shot. 7-day free trial, 30 days money back guarantee, 175% today, 116% past week. People are killing it. People are killing it, and that's the reason why they're coming back. Look at this. It's insane. Look at my growth. 243% in a single month. 243% in a single month. Look at this. 160% in a single month. 160% in a single month. I don't know. Maybe try it out. And look, this is all. I always refer to this screenshot because it makes so much sense to me what this dude did. Join for the first 7 days, guys. We offer a 7-day free trial and a 30 days money back guarantee. Join for the first 7 days. See if you make money. If you make money, come back for more. If you don't make money, pack your bags and leave, and don't even look back. That's it. It's that simple. Anyways, I appreciate you guys. Thank you for watching. Happiness in trading. Your boy Soun from Top Academy.